Welcome back. In the last video, we created the product brief for our Python YouTube project. BMAD-help analyzed our project and told us that the next step is to stress test the idea using the PRFAQ challenge and then define the requirements using the PRD. So today we're doing both PRFAQ or press release press release frequently asked questions, and PRD preliminary design review. Um, so BMAD help gave us three possible paths forward, as you can see. Path number one, PRFAQ challenge, recommended, stress test idea, surface hidden assumptions, validate the concept, takes about 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Then path 2, PRD, fast track, skip, PRFAQ, go straight to the requirements required before architecture and epics. Or path number 3, multi-agent expert review, product brief coach, market analyst, storyteller, good for refining the concept. BMAD-help recommended PRFAQ first, and that's what we're going to do. So, like always, if this one is not open, you do Ctrl Shift P or open it on top here. But like I'm always doing, Ctrl Shift P, then BMAD, but mine is still open. And then you choose one of these agents because they're all share the same loop, so it doesn't matter which one you take. I chose the dev agent. Then we type use the BMAD PRFAQ skill. BMAD will now start the PRFAQ challenge and ask questions that simulate real customer frequently asked questions. Which were already prepared. These questions pressure test the idea from perspective of beginners who will watch the Python series. You're about to survive Amazon's working backwards priority challenge, the gauntlet that forces customer first clarity before you build anything. The mission: write a press release announcing your finished Python YouTube series to answer the hardest customer and stakeholders questions. If your concept survived this, it's ready for the PRD. If it doesn't, you'll know exactly where to dig deeper. So I worked through all 5 stages of the working backwards PRFAQ challenge: ignition, established customer, beginners and intermediate developers, locked in problems, syntax tutorials, real project gaps, validated stakes, beginners feel stuck between toy examples and real development, confirmed solution, concept, practical mini projects, not syntax drills. Stage 2, press release, drafted a finished project, press release announcing your series. Force the clarity question: can we write this compelling before building it? Answer: yes, the value proposition is crisp and real. Customer frequently asked questions. You provided 8 customer facing frequently asked questions answered that stress test the concept from the outside in. Each answer validates a claim: beginner friendly, real skills, no GPU needed, etc. Result: all answers hold water under scrutiny. Stage 4, internal frequently asked questions. I added 8 internal stakeholder questions: feasibility, risk, scalability, long-term vision. Each one stress tests execution and sustainability. Results: risks are real, but mitigated. Overwhelm, mini-series structure, comment, burden, capacity planning. Verdict: assessment ready for PRD. Your concept is customer first, problem grounded, and feasibility worth of building. So I want to show you the questions I asked so you can get a little grasp of yourself what you can do with your project. I'll just do it here for the moment. I'll copy paste them. So who is the series for? The series is for beginners and intermediate developers who want to learn Python through real projects instead of basic syntax tutorials. Why should I watch this instead of other Python tutorials? Most tutorials only teach syntax. This series teaches real development, APIs, WebSocket, ML basics, logging, error handling, and practical tools. Do I need advanced hardware like GPU? No, all projects are designed to run on any basic laptop. ML basics will be lightweight and CPU friendly. Will I learn real-world skills? Yes, every episode builds something useful, not toy examples. How long does each project take? Most mini projects take about 10 to 30 minutes to follow along. In this series, beginners friendly. Is this beginning friendly? Yes, every concept is explained step by step with clear structure and no assumptions. Who will you show how to structure Python projects? Yes, the series includes folder structure, modules, error handling, logging, and clean code practices. What if I get stuck? Each video includes clear explanations and the comments section is open for questions. So that's what I asked the questions. Once we are through this, now we can move on to the PRD. So use the the BMAD PRD skill. So as you see, if you're really prepared with your system, it doesn't take a half an hour. It's just going quite fast. So these are the PRD requirements for this project. The purpose: teach Python through real practical projects instead of basic syntax. Target audience: beginners and intermediate developers. Core features: mini project, API usage, WebSocket clients, ML basics, logging, error handling, clean code structure, non-goals, no advanced ML, no private trading systems, no paid or proprietary code. Sorry. Um, the success criteria should be: viewers can build real Python projects, viewers understand project structure, viewers gain confidence to create their own tools, because that's what this series are based upon. Not only how to set up BMAD, but also to use Python. The constraints: must run on basic hardware, must be beginner friendly, must be short, practical episodes. Then the risk: beginners may feel overwhelmed, too many topics could be dilute focus. Migration: keeps episodes short, explain everything step by step, provide clear structure. So let's see what he's done right now. So this is what we all talked about just now. Also future expansion, open questions and decisions. We're ready for the next phase. Does this capture your vision? Let's look at the PRFAQ for a moment. So this is what was made before from all our questions, and this is the PRD. Let me pull this one down a bit. He wants me to read it. Does scoping features missing? Anything adjust before finalizing? Ready to finalize. Okay, let's just quickly read it. Seems alright. Scope, yes. Success metrics. Yep. It's very important, guys, you read what you made. Sorry, I have to do this for while filming, but I have to be sure everything is alright and show you that it really is necessary. Future expansions, okay. Dependencies, okay. Dependencies, also maybe projects, real project beginner, plans. Yep, okay. Alright, so I guess this one is done. Finalize and proceed. Now that the PRFAQ and PRD are complete, the next BMAD steps are architecture, epics, stories, implementation readiness, sprint planning. Just record the finalization. In the next video, we'll generate the architecture for this project. Quick recap. We completed the PRFAQ challenge to stress test the idea and then generated the PRD to define the requirements. Next video, architecture, design the structure of the Python series. Bye!